Williamsburg, so you don't have to be. This is the Lorimer Street stop on the L. It's also a transfer point to the Metropolitan stop on the G. Sunday, April 3rd. It's almost 7 p.m. The Lorimer station was built around 1915, 1920. The sign we just saw that said to Crosstown Line was added in the 30s, as was this. The G is the Crosstown Line. That was its original name when it was built in the 30s. We're not transferring to the G now because we're exiting. So, we are here at the corner of Union and Metropolitan. I think Lorimer, which was the name of the stop, is actually the next intersection. We're in Williamsburg. That's the BQE. We're headed west, sort of. No. Take that back. Yeah. The BQE, the traffic going towards the right is going north, although in BQE terminology, in interstate highway terminology, east.
Just curiosity.
We are going across the street for Birria-Landia tacos. And just going to show you a sample of the writing, the press coverage they received when they opened in Forest Hills, in Jackson Heights, Queens, 3 to 4 years ago, And then sometime about a year ago, they opened a branch truck here in Williamsburg. And this is their entire menu, 4 items. And this is how many tacos I'm going to order right now. This is infrared, and this is what you've been watching.